Joins us now live from Capitol Hill. So, Samantha-Jo, what can the administration do to overcome this in states like Florida?
They say that their community outreach is really going to be key, but that faces such a major test with the state of Florida, where the vaccination rates are really lagging.
Here's the thing. Right now, we're at a place where we have a lot of supply. We have done the work.
As President Biden unveils his plan for a nation emerging from the COVID-19 pandemic, his administration is grappling with a large number of Americans refusing to get the shot.
Now we have to continue the work and making sure that we're communicating with Americans. If you want to get back to normal, we have to get vaccinated. Everyone has to get vaccinated.
Daily vaccinations are down 20% from their peak on April 11th. In Florida, almost half of all adult residents have not been vaccinated.
We are behind some of the other states.
Dr. Aftab Khan is concerned about the drop-off in demand, particularly among younger Americans.
I think the hesitancy is more and ignorance is more among young adults. Unless we give them proper education and convince them, we are not going to reach the so-called herd immunity, 70 to 85% of the population vaccinated.
Florida now leads the nation in new COVID-19 cases, weeks after many came for spring break vacations. Although the number of new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths dropped in the last week, Florida is not keeping pace with the much steeper declines nationwide.
I'm very concerned that people are still hesitant about getting the vaccine now. They should talk with their doctors, go to trusted sources of information, the Centers for Disease Control, your local community health center. It is vitally important. The risks are so high.
Dr. Khan believes the state could reach herd immunity by convincing 15 to 20% of the holdouts to get the shot.
If we can convince those 15 to 20% of the population, we can reach herd immunity before 4th of July. And I'm very much optimistic about it.
Now, the highest number of new cases are among the ages of 24 and 34. And that actually is the same group of people where the vaccination rates are actually lagging. So really convincing this group of people to get vaccinated is really going to be key, Sharon.
Samantha-Jo reporting live from the nation's capital. Thank you for that live report. And you can join us tonight at 8.